food production in the future. As the clock ticks towards 2050, the landscape of our plates is destined for a radical transformation. The convergence of technology and sustainability will shape the future of food in ways that today's diners can only begin to imagine. By 2050, we will not only be consuming food that is more nutritious, but also more environmentally friendly, ethical, and tailored to meet individual health needs. One of the most significant changes will be the rise of lab-grown meats and plant-based proteins. As the global population swells to an estimated 9.7 billion, the demand for protein sources will skyrocket. Traditional livestock farming, with its heavy resource consumption and environmental impact, will struggle to meet this demand sustainably. Enter cultured meat, produced in laboratories from animal cells without the need for raising and slaughtering animals. By 2050, lab-grown burgers, chicken nuggets, and even steak will be commonplace in our diets. These products will not only reduce greenhouse gas emissions significantly, but also alleviate the ethical concerns surrounding animal welfare. The taste and texture of lab-grown meat will have evolved to the point where discerning consumers will find it indistinguishable from its traditional counterparts, making it a viable option for even the most devoted carnivores. Simultaneously, plant-based diets will gain unprecedented popularity, driven by both health consciousness and environmental awareness. Innovations in food technology will lead to the development of meat alternatives that mimic the taste and mouthfeel of meat with remarkable accuracy. Companies will craft products from legumes, grains, and even fungi, utilizing advanced techniques to create textures that satisfy the cravings of meat lovers. By 2050, it will be common to see meals that feature a variety of plant-based proteins, from lentil burgers to mushroom steaks, all designed to provide the same satisfaction as beef or chicken, but with a fraction of the environmental cost. In addition to proteins, the future of food will see a renaissance in the consumption of insects. While the idea of eating crickets or mealworms may seem unappetizing to many today, by 2050, these nutrient-dense insects will be integrated into our diets as a sustainable source of protein. Insects require far less land, water, and feed than traditional livestock, making them an attractive option in an era of climate change and resource scarcity. Expect to find cricket flour in your baked goods, mealworm protein bars on supermarket shelves, and even gourmet dishes featuring insects as a delicacy. The normalization of entomophagy, or insect eating, will reflect a broader shift toward embracing alternative sources of nutrition. The way we perceive fruits and vegetables will also undergo a profound change. Vertical farming and hydroponics will dominate the agricultural landscape, allowing for fresh produce to be grown in urban environments, reducing transportation emissions and providing local, seasonal options year-round. By 2050, it will be commonplace to see high-tech farms integrated into cityscapes, with skyscrapers dedicated to growing everything from leafy greens to tomatoes. These urban farms will utilize artificial intelligence and data analytics to optimize growth conditions, ensuring that produce is not only fresh, but also nutrient-dense. Expect to see fruits and vegetables enriched with vitamins and minerals tailored to combat specific health issues such as heart disease or diabetes, making our produce not just food, but a proactive approach to health. The concept of personalized nutrition will become a reality, driven by advances in genetics and biotechnology. By analyzing an individual's DNA, microbiome, and lifestyle, nutritionists will be able to recommend specific diets tailored to optimize health and prevent disease. Meal plans will be designed to cater to unique metabolic responses, ensuring that each person receives the nutrients they need in the most effective way possible. This tailored approach will extend to food production as well, with companies creating personalized food products that cater to individual health needs, preferences, and even ethical considerations. In 2050, food will also be a canvas for creativity and innovation, with chefs and home cooks alike embracing the possibilities of 3D food printing. This technology will allow for the creation of intricate designs and custom flavors, revolutionizing the way we think about food presentation and taste. Imagine a dinner party where each guest receives a dish specifically designed to their taste preferences, printed in real time from a machine that combines the freshest ingredients. This level of personalization will not only enhance the dining experience, but also challenge our notions of what food can be. Sustainability will be at the forefront of food production and consumption in 2050. The focus on zero-waste practices will lead to a circular food economy where every part of a food product is utilized and nothing goes to waste. From utilizing food scraps for composting to creating biodegradable packaging, the future of food will prioritize minimizing environmental impact. Consumers will be more conscious of their choices, opting for products that are not only healthy but also sustainable. The concept of food miles will be ingrained in our shopping habits, with a preference for locally sourced ingredients that support community economies and reduce carbon footprints. Finally, the future of food will be intertwined with a greater understanding of mental health and well-being. The relationship between diet and mental health will be more pronounced, with foods specifically designed to enhance mood, energy, and cognitive function. By 2050, we will recognize that what we eat profoundly impacts not just our physical health, but also our emotional and psychological well-being. Superfoods will evolve to include ingredients that enhance brain function, reduce stress, and promote overall mental clarity. As we look ahead to 2050, it is clear that the future of food will be a tapestry woven from innovation, sustainability, and personalization. Our diets will reflect a profound shift in our relationship with food, one that embraces technology while honoring the planet. The meals of the future will not only nourish our bodies, but also sustain our environment, making every bite a step toward a healthier, more sustainable world. The journey to 2050 will be one of discovery, adaptation, and ultimately, a celebration of the diverse and delicious possibilities that await us on our plates. I hope you learned something new with this video. Stay tuned and subscribe, like, and share this video for more fascinating new content.